I think what I've noticed with the people who've been on the programs is that they become more empowered. They become more curious, I think, and actually more mature.
The most valuable was that we increased our knowledge. We developed during the program. We have a broader view now on the food science, microbiology, analysis and the industry.
It's opened me for more opportunities, and I feel much more confident to take extra tasks, let's say, something harder, what I for sure wouldn't decide on the beginning of that course. And it showed me that I can, if I seriously want to, I can do whatever I want to.
I think that it's really important for us to develop our people, not only for succession, but also for just growth. And I think when you're learning and you're developing like that, you can add a lot more back into the business, and it sort of motivates the teams quite a lot.
It shows our employees that the company is willing to invest in their future. We are having really a lot of opportunities at Barfoots in terms of development, so this helps us to keep people within the business.
To be honest, I was studying in Poland pedagogy, and it was hard, it was very formal and strict. To compare with that course, it was, let's say, I feel like in family, where I had many opportunities to have a meeting. In case if any problems, I just organized the meeting with my coach, and she was very helpful.
If someone is considering starting level 3 with CQM, I highly recommend it. The biggest impact, that's what I really liked, were the tutors. So greetings to you, Richard. Richard Everett was amazing, really helpful person, even when I was struggling with time, because food industry is very specific. We are really busy. However, with help from Richard, it was much easier to complete the program.